My name is Dreitzler. I teach dressage horseback riding. Dressage is basically ballet on horseback. The first knee replacement I had was due to an injury with horses. I was riding and blew out the knee. Worked with it for quite a few years and then finally got to the point where it was more painful I couldn't do, and that knee was an off-the-shelf replacement. The second knee was done with the Conformis knee. I was able to see the differences between the two knees. And in the original knee, it doesn't cover all the bone. It clicks, it's painful, and the Conformis knee, which I call the comfort knee, is worth its weight in gold. The recovery on it was 3 times as fast as what the original knee the first knee was. I mean, they put you in a machine to do bending on the knee after the surgery so that the leg is moving. And a week after being on that machine, I was already, with a Conformis knee, I was already at the maximum bend that machine could do. And I wanted to bend it more. This is the off-the-shelf, and that's as far as I can get it. Now, if I grab hold of it, I can bring it up, but then it starts hurting here. Where if I switch to this one, and then I can have the right one bent as far as I want. I mean, I can bring it up almost to where it's touching my butt. Good boy. Very good boy. Working with the horses, I have to know that I can move anywhere I need to go to get out of their way. A part of being an instructor is your job is to make sure that that person that's up there is safe. And there are times when a horse will get scared and you have to get in. Yeah, I know. No. No. I have to be able to jump in, and the comfort I definitely have more confidence in. Working with their feet, you're going to pick up the foot, you're going to be crouched, you're going to be holding the foot with your knees. It's much easier for me to brace against my Conformis knee. I can put the leg exactly where I need it to be and put tension onto those muscles very easily. You can probably tell I'm a very firm believer in the Conformis knee. I don't even realize that it's an artificial knee. Where the off-the-shelf knee, I know it's going to hurt. And even if I'm not thinking about it and I do something, it'll get me. The Conformis knee is a much better, in my experience, option. It's, I guess you could say, maintenance-free. If I had had the Conformist available when they did the first knee, I would have 2 Conformis knees.